Well, my name is Doug Anderson. I'm the production manager of the components division in Morris, Minnesota. Basically, I have three types of welders, I'll say, okay? We have our welders who lay wire all day long. They work in our pulley department, our drum and wings, and they are welding wing and drum pulleys all day. They have their own station. They don't have to lift anything because of all the overhead cranes. They just put the item, the pulley, on their bench, and they weld. And they weld all day. And they'll tell you that's why I love welding here is I don't have to think, Doug. I just come and work and weld. And then we have what we call our robotic welders, and they're basically running a machine. And it is a machine that does the welding. Robotic arms, roll welders that do all the welding robotic. And now they don't have to wear all the PPE, the face, the welder helmet, the gloves, but they have to know what a good weld looks like. And it's a good transition into welding. And then we have our welders. These are the guys that we have that are reading prints, not welding everything in a jig, right? Like a lot of our specials one thing. So those are the three types of welders we have in components. It's why I feel a welder likes working at Superior is A, the equipment. Brand new Lincolns, brand new Miller welders, right? Always taken care of, all that good stuff. Gloves, vest, all that we provide. The opportunity to just weld is there. And then there's also that opportunity to do that challenging weld or that new weld. Like we'll do TIG welding, aluminum welding, stainless steel welding. So there's always that challenge that a welder is looking for. So what we've done in the components division is we have built our Weld Training Lab there. Brandon does our training and testing there because all we need is to be 1G certified for components. And the advantage of welding at Superior is you don't have to do the heavy lifting. Your station is all set up. You don't have to lug your welder across the shop to weld in a new area. It's user-friendly. I'm extremely flexible. Right now, currently, we have 5 starting times in components. We have a 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 1 o'clock, 4:30. I mean, whenever you can get there and work, I'll make it work for you. As long as your schedule's consistent and you stay honest with me, I'll get you in the door.